Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a PR unboxing. So I just got back from vacation. I was away for a couple weeks, and thank goodness that my neighbor was taking in my packages because I got back. It was absolutely crazy. This basket is full of packages. So I'm not doing this to brag or anything. I'm seriously so grateful for the things that have been sent to me. A couple of these things are things that I ordered myself, and then a few things are things that were sent by companies. The reason I'm doing this is just as someone who loves watching YouTube. I love this kind of video. I think it's so fascinating. I'm just really nosy and I want to know like what people are getting. So I just thought it would be really fun because I had such a haul here to show you. So I'm gonna start with something that I ordered myself. I have a Savvy order that came while I was gone, so let's start with that. I am currently wearing Savvy. This is the KB crop top. If you didn't know, I am a Savvy brand partner, so I work with them. I love their stuff. So this is the package that it came in, and I totally forget what I ordered. Oh, so I got some shorts. So these are the Eco Shorty. They're 7-inch shorts with pockets. I also got a second set. That's what I got. I loved this reef set that I previously ordered in a purple color, so I decided to order it in the blue. And it is so pretty. This is actually custom dyed. I mean, they make everything themselves anyway, but like each piece is dyed, so no two are gonna look alike. And then the shorts are just like a basic black. I've been really into bike shorts with pockets, so I figured why not have some Savvy ones. So people were really raving, and they're also eco, so they use recycled fabric for these. So that is package number one. And the Savvy I did pay for with my own money, but I do get a discount because I'm a brand partner. All right, keeping with the activewear theme, this package comes from Halara, and they asked if they could send me some items to feature. So we're gonna definitely have like a full review of these items, but we have a sports bra in a nice kind of a gray color. Once again, I kind of forget what I picked out, but these were sent to me. We have a dress. I wish this had come before my trip to Costa Rica because it's this dress that has shorts underneath. I'm so excited to try that. That's gonna be so fun. I have some shorts, again, because I've been really into shorts. Some black biker shorts with pockets. So definitely wanted to put those to the test, especially because I have a lot of shorts. So my whole thing with activewear is like finding the best pieces from whatever brand it might be. These are also some running shorts that I thought looked really, really cute. I've tried some from Lululemon kind of like this, but I never bought any. So I thought these would be awesome. And what's my last thing? We have leggings. So I try to get like a nice variety of pieces. So we have some leggings. These are very soft. So I'm very excited. Stay tuned for a Halara video coming up. I will definitely be reviewing these, putting them to the test. And of course, thank you to Halara for sending those. We have one more activewear package. This is coming from JedNorth. I found out about JedNorth from Move with Jen. She worked with them. They're a Canadian brand, and they looked amazing. And if she recommended them, then I was totally down. So let's see what I got from them. Okay, first impression, everything is so pretty. So I got this green cropped top. I got this beautiful pink sports bra. This color is absolutely gorgeous. Love that. These kind of reddish leggings. Oh, they are buttery soft. Wow. I got black leggings as well. Oh no, these are shorts, more bike shorts, because I've had this bike short obsession, and I also I like to compare. I also got these in the same kind of, I think it was called watermelon. These are shorter shorts with pockets. this red top, kind of like a crop tank top. Reminds me a little bit of the Align tank. The fabrics feel amazing. And then this I thought was so pretty. This square neck white top, and like, I don't know, this little detail is so cute. So super excited to do a try on video for JedNorth for all of you and let you know, but just like first impressions, everything feels so soft and amazing. There's no like strings hanging off that I can see. Like, you know, when you take, like, let's say you get some leggings off Amazon that are like just a random brand and you take them out of the package and they already have like strings hanging off and stuff. Like, none of that. Everything looks impeccable. So super excited. Thank you so much to JedNorth for sending these my way, and to Move with Jen for doing her review and bringing them to my attention. So awesome. All right, what's next? Let's move into one thing that I purchased myself, the Fierce Forward jewelry box. I love to review these, so I'm really excited to include this. I buy these with my own money. Ashley Johns is absolutely amazing. She is the founder of Fierce Forward, the lifestyle brand and jewelry line. They are amazing. So every month I get this box, and every month I like almost cry because I'm such a baby. Because she just puts so much love into everything. So let's find out what the July box is all about. It says choose freedom. Oh my God, I already know I'm gonna love it. And it's all wrapped up in this little container, this little tissue. I'm so excited. I can already tell because it has the picture. This is so cute. Oh my God. So it's this feather necklace. I love it so much. A feather symbolizes freedom, the way birds are able to travel on earth and sky. There's nothing stopping them from going where they want to go. Wear this sterling silver feather necklace and remember that this is true for you. Choose freedom, choose you. I love that. I've always said, like, I don't have any tattoos. I'm not getting any tattoos. But if I were to get a tattoo, I would either get a tree or a bird. Just because like that bird, like a tree is stable, but a bird has that freedom to fly. And so this is so perfect. This is so cute. It also comes with this cute sticker and then this little postcard. Oh my God. I love it. I cannot wait to wear this. So I will definitely link Fierce Forward. I will link everything below in terms of the different brands, but I will make sure to link the jewelry website. So if you're interested, I think it's so adorable. And like I said, she truly makes everything with love. Like, I seriously almost cry every time. All right, let's get into some skincare. One more thing I purchased myself, JedNorth Beauty. So I am subscribed and I do purchase all my JedNorth Beauty products myself. I love them so much. I actually did not bring the stuff on vacation because the packaging is kind of large. So I should have planned for that and maybe gotten some sample sizes ahead of time, but I didn't. And when I was packing, I just couldn't take them. This is that Big Screen Moisturizer. It has SPF of 30. You might have known that I have tried the other moisturizer, but then I found out there was one with SPF. I prefer this so much. It's so much lighter. It sinks into my skin so much better. The other is almost like a balm. So now I've been using that more like at night. And there's a car alarm going off. Okay, it's off now. So I've been using the other one more at night. And I actually probably didn't need a new one of these quite yet, but it was already subscribed to and it's such a good deal. Like if you subscribe, you save, I think 15%. I'm also super addicted to the serum and I would not want to run out of it. So I just stay subscribed to my favorite products. I have also tried their eye cream. I'm not as crazy about that, but the serum and the SPF moisturizer are like my absolute favorites. The next skincare item comes from Nuovalace. They have sent me this anti-aging device. I'm so curious. So Nuovalace. This is the Nuovalace anti-aging device with microcurrent and light therapy technology. The ultimate device to reduce wrinkles and tighten skin. Contains one device and 2 treatment heads. I will most definitely be doing a full video on this. If you've noticed, I have added skincare as part of my channel. You know that I'm all about reviewing activewear, but it's also when you look good, you feel good. And part of feeling good for me is taking care of my full body in different ways. So whether that be supplements or different skin treatments to keep my skin looking good. I barely wear makeup now. I'm just not that into it. I get lash extensions and I feel like that's like all I need. I think probably the pandemic just broke me of wanting to wear makeup. So I just like to keep my skin looking good. I did just go to Costa Rica. So if you're like, you're tan, I promise I wore sunscreen so much. I really just kept slathering it on. So Nuovalace did send me this device. I am so excited to try it out and give you my review. And thank you to Nuovalace for sending it my way. Next batch of skincare comes from Sand and Sky. I've been working with them for a few months now, maybe like 2 or 3 months. And they sent me this little kit. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This has a little hairband, which I could totally use, as well as the Australian Pink Clay Pore Refining Mask. So this is to remove impurities and brighten. I love the idea of a clay mask, especially in the summertime. I never thought I had oily skin until the past couple summers, and then I feel like the oil does come out. So this will be super awesome. It's supposed to tighten pores, draw out impurities. So I will definitely be reviewing this and probably doing like maybe like an Instagram or a TikTok or both. So be on the lookout for those. It's JessCap1 on Instagram and on TikTok. I have another Sand and Sky item. This I think is a surprise. This is the Australian Pink Clay Deep Pore Cleanser. So that's exciting too. So I bet these would actually go really nice together. This formula easily lifts away makeup and congestion with witch hazel naturally helping to target the appearance of pores and macadamia oil moisturizing the skin for picture perfect finish. That sounds awesome. So I will definitely be trying this out as well. It says cleanse and purify. I've just been really impressed. I have this Sand and Sky, it's a moisturizing mask. I've been loving it and I actually have used it as like an overnight treatment to like really plump up my skin and I absolutely love it. I also love their ingredients. They use a lot of natural ingredients, which I'm super into. So super excited to try this one out. Finally, we have Coco Eve. You know how obsessed I am with their tanning mousse. I can't get enough of it. I need to order more because I'm almost out. I mean, I have a good tan now, so I'm probably fine for the time being. But I did put some on before I went to Costa Rica so that when I was first going out in my swimsuit, I would feel confident. It just really helps. It helps so much to feel good in my skin, just having a little color. So definitely highly recommend their bronzing mousse. This is a little hair care set. I have not tried their hair stuff yet. This is the Like a Virgin Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. So very excited. I have been loving the product so far. This little Moisture Boost shower cap I think will probably help. Yeah, it locks in the mask. So that will be super fun. So I can't wait to try this. I love masks. I have very thick, long hair, and especially now that I've been highlighting it, it's definitely in need of some serious moisture, especially after my trip. Like, I was washing my hair so much. I was in and out of the ocean, in the pool. Like, I think my hair really needs this, so it couldn't have come at a better time. So thank you, Coco Eve. So thank you so much, so much for supporting my channel. This is so amazing. I love to review stuff. I love to just tell my friends and family and followers all the best things. So to be able to be gifted some items to try is so much fun. Like, I'm such a product junkie and this is like a dream come true. So thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you to these brands for having faith in me that I can share your products with the world. It's just been such a fun, exciting time. Like, I can't even put into words. It seriously is just so much fun. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed if you want to see some real reviews of these products where I dig in and really try them out. And I will see you in the next video soon. Have a great day. Stay positive. Bye.